Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let us discuss about food additives. This topic is very important for food safety officers for almost many government exams. It is present in the food technology part 1 for Kerala government exam for food safety officers. So it is an important topic. Let us go into the topic. Food additives are the substances which are added to food which improve flavor, texture, color, or chemical preservatives, taste, appearance, or function as a processing aid. Now, food additive is a substance which is directly or indirectly added to the food. It gives a particular characteristic food and it should be safe for condition of a use. That is the definition of a food additive. And there are many types of food additives. First, let us talk about antioxidants. Antioxidant is a substance which is added to the fat or fat containing substances to retard oxidation and prolong the wholesomeness, palatability and shelf life. Okay. And antioxidants should be effective at low concentration and it should not have any harmful physiological effect. Some of the most common antioxidants include natural antioxidants and synthetic antioxidants. Natural antioxidants include vitamin C, ascorbic acid, which is present in the fruits and vegetables, vitamin E or tocopherols, and catechins in the tea. Now, the most popular antioxidants in the food are BHA, BHT, propyl gallate, and TBHQ. These are important. BHA stands for butylated hydroxyanisole, BHT is butylated hydroxytoluene, and propyl gallate and tertiary butyl hydroquinone. And also the tocopherol is an biological antioxidant. It is present in the plants and animal tissues. Preservatives. Preservative is defined as a substance which is capable of inhibiting, retarding or arresting the growth of microorganisms of any deterioration of food due to the microorganisms. Okay, and these preservatives include natural preservatives and chemical preservatives. And among these preservatives, there will be listed under class 1 and class 2 preservatives. And class 1 is preservatives which do not have any restriction upon usage, whereas class 2 preservatives have restriction upon usage. For example, salt is a class 1 preservative. Class 2 preservatives example is potassium metabisulfate. Now let us discuss about it. Natural preservatives include salts, sugar, lemon, vinegar, etc. Chemical preservatives include these both are class 1 preservatives and they are natural preservatives. These are not a chemical preservatives. Sodium chloride, sugar. The salt stops the growth of microorganisms and interfere with the action of proteolytic enzymes. Sugar have a preservative effect on food and due to the high osmotic pressure of sugar creates a condition that are unfavorable for the growth and reproduction of yeast and bacteria. The salt bind the microorganisms, bind the water and make it unavailable for the growth of water in the foods. Therefore, it acts as a preservative. And also the sugar and propionic acid and its sodium salts, chemical preservative. Next, benzoic acid is an chemical preservative. It is used as an antimicrobial agent. Its sodium salt is not soluble in water, and it is mostly used in acid foods such as fruit juices, carbonated beverages, pickles, and sauerkraut. Next, let us discuss about the curing agents. Curing agents are the additives used to cure meats and give them desirable color and flavor and discourage the growth of microorganisms and prevent the toxin formation. So curing agents are the agents which cure the meat. Sodium nitrate is mostly used curing agent, and it is also a color stabilizer used in meat and fish products. Okay. The sodium nitrite, it is used in all the meat and fish products. The nitrite, when added to the meat, it gets converted into nitric oxide. The nitric oxide, when combines with the myoglobin, it forms nitric oxide myoglobin. It is an heat stable pigment. And also also it has the antimicrobial property, like when nitrate is added to the meat, it also inhibits the growth of Clostridium and Streptococcus and lowers the temperature required to kill Clostridium botulinum. Next, chelating agents. Chelating agents means a chemical mechanism through which compounds form a central metallic ion joined by a bonds to two or more non-metallic atoms of same molecule, so that one or more heterocyclic rings are formed with a central ion as a part of a ring. So, chelating agents are not an antioxidant. They are the scavengers of metals which catalyze the oxidation. Simple. And the EDTA is most commonly used chelating agent. Okay. Next, leavening agent. Leavening agent produce light fluffy baked goods. Originally, yeast was used. So, yeast is an leavening agent. It is added to the bread. And when yeast is used, ammonium salts are added to the dough to provide a source of nitrogen for the yeast growth. Okay. Next, coloring agents include color stabilizers, color fixatives, color retention agents. There are two types of food colors: natural food color and artificial food color. Natural food colors include caramel. It is a caramelized sugar. Annatto. Annatto is found in Bixal orellanus seeds. Green dye, betalains found in beetroot, turmeric, curcumin, saffron, and paprika. These are some of the natural food colors, and these are synthetic food colors. Red color, Pons au, erythrocin, carnosin, orange, yellow tartrazine, sunset yellow, green, and these are some of the food colors. Next, some of the permitted, generally regarded as safe food additives and tolerances are listed below. So you can check them. Calcium silicate function as an anti-caking agent. Anti-caking agents prevent the lump formation. It is also a food additive. Its tolerant level is 2%. BHA and BHT we discussed, right? Butylated hydroxyanisole and butylated hydroxytoluene are the antioxidants. Tolerance level is less than or equal to 0.02%. And likewise, there are many other antioxidants like caffeine, calcium silicate, ethyl formate, gelatin, potassium metabisulfate, sodium bisulfate, sodium sulfate, sulfur dioxide, and stearyl citrate. And thanks for watching. There are much more to discuss about it. I will discuss in our next video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more videos.